that's when he finds you. Don't take it as a sign, you know he's lying, saying that he wants to be mine, like we could be fine. Yeah, somehow he finds you. That's his trick. Say his name 3 times in a mirror and watch your self-respect just disappear overnight. Overnight. Thinking he's slick, putting in just enough words to make you think he deserves some of your time. Oh my, oh my. Even right in front of his eyes, he wouldn't recognize if it was love. If it was love. Even right in front of his eyes, he wouldn't recognize if it was love. If it was love. You know the type, you know the guy, the one who wants everything but can't decide. It's a low thing goodbye, wish for everyone at the same time. He likes to chase, cause somehow it's safe, never planning on actually staying. Yeah, you know he's just playing. That's his trick. Say his name 3 times in a mirror and watch your self-respect just disappear overnight. Overnight. Thinking he's slick, putting in just enough work to make you think he deserves some of your time. Oh my, oh my. Even right in front of his eyes, he wouldn't recognize if there was love. If it was love. Even right in front of his eyes, he wouldn't recognize if it was love. If it was love. No, he wouldn't know. He wouldn't know. No, he wouldn't.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit I am the unit I am rocking was sent to me by Ashimary Hair. Shout out to you, Ashimary, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I am rocking is their Water Wave Highlight Ombre Color Invisible Strap Snug Fit 360 Skin Lace Frontal Wig Glueless Human Hair Wig. Okay, so on their site it says pre-cut lace. You can get it pre-cut or not. Now if you do choose to get it pre-cut, it is an additional $5. This unit does come in 14 to 26 inches, and if I'm not mistaken, like I said, I think I said 24 inches is what I have. So it says everything is prepared for you in advance, just for your quick and easy installation. Elevate your wig with our exquisite 360 wig, a versatile and luxurious hair solution, I think, that transform your look effortlessly. Crafted with precision and care, this wig offers a seamless blend of style and comfort for a truly enchanting experience. It says only 3 seconds to install, 360-degree support, versatile styling including high ponytails and updos. Now I did do an updo. I didn't do a high ponytail, but I did do an updo. Comfortable fit and breathable, a luxurious feel against your scalp. Premium quality, 100% human hair. It's 180% density. So the updo I decided to do, I didn't decide to do a bun because I've done a bun for you guys numerous times, and when I do a bun, I usually do a bun with straight hair. This is a curly water wave wig. I just feel like it looks better like this. Now honey, you can do a updo in any style that you want to do it. I just chose to do the clip because that's something that I would do in real life. I don't really like to do stuff that I wouldn't actually wear. Sometimes I do. I do it for you guys or whatever. If a company really says I need you to do an up style, blah blah, sometimes I'll do that. For the most part though, I like to do stuff that I would actually wear in real life, because to me, my channel is all about, I'm not a hairstylist, I'm not a beautician, so if I can do it, you can do it. You know what I'm saying? So I don't want to do like these grand styles. Like, I know sometimes it's what people want to see, but there are people out there that do that. Okay, girl, there are beauticians out there that do that you can watch on YouTube. Me, I am an everyday person. Okay, I'm an everyday girl, and I show you my everyday looks. So I just added a clip to it because that is something I would actually do. Now I do want to go ahead and point out with this wig that it came with those it came with that drawstring, and I really like that. I had never seen that before, honey. I almost cut them off because I had never seen that before. Now I know you guys probably have, but I personally don't watch wig videos because, child, you can end up taking other people's personalities, and then y'all be like, hold on now, Chrissy acting like such and such, or Chrissy acting like such and such, because I've been watching such and such. So I try not to do that, but I had never personally seen this, so I had to watch a video because I was trying to see, like, people with big ears, like, what do you do? I had to cut the lace, okay? Like, you guys see my ears, and I like to have that snug fit around my ears. I just do. And I'm not gonna get that. I'm not gonna get that with even with the pre-cut lace all the way around. I'm just not gonna get that. It's gonna be too hard for somebody like me. I don't know, other people maybe can. So because of that, I couldn't wear it like completely glueless like I've seen other people do it. I just couldn't. It was just gonna be a folded up it was going to be a folded wig, and it wasn't going to be real. And I give you guys real, no chaser. Now, maybe if your ears aren't like all the way up here like mine are, you can make it work without even cutting anything. Like, maybe you can slap old girl on and use your spray and call it a day. I personally cannot do that and wear a wig comfortably, but hopefully you can. I do love the idea of the adjustable strings. I think that is really, really cool. The lace, in my opinion, is extremely transparent. Now, I use transparent loosely. When I have transparent lace, I always say, like, it looks really, really good when I apply my makeup on top of it. Now, other lace, like HD lace, it doesn't look good when I apply my makeup to it. So it just depends on the wig. But with transparent lace, I love how it looks when I apply my makeup to it. And as you guys can see, like, girl, wet lace, girl. Wet lace, girl. Okay, and then in the back, I did not add any adhesive whatsoever because they have those adjustable string thingies. You guys know what I'm talking about. You guys saw it. So shout out to them for that. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, it is a water wave unit. I don't expect any other things with a water wave unit. It never tangles, they never shed. Like, you guys know that is like one of my favorite textures because it's effortless. It doesn't take a whole lot, it doesn't need a whole lot. And honestly, I probably wouldn't even apply any product to it had it not been for this video. Honestly. How I like to wear my water waves is just straight the patch, shoo, 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 throw it on my head. But honey, sometimes I get a little heat for that. So I did apply product to it, but I love a good water wave wig, and I just don't think they take a whole lot. As far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it was extremely big head friendly. If you are a small cap size, and you know, child, you know, you can make it work because it does have that detachable elastic band as well as those drawstring things on either side. So shout out to them for that. But if you have a smaller head, then you know you really gonna need all that, girl. Okay, because the wig, in my opinion, is extremely big head friendly. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs. If you're interested in my pros and cons towards full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright, honey, so we're gonna start with the cons because you guys know I like to end on a high note. And my con is gonna be I just wish companies made wigs more big ear friendly. I know that's like honey girl, most people don't have ears like your ears. I get it, but I wish it was more of an option, you know. So yeah, that's gonna be my con. The pros are gonna be, y'all, to me, as far as 360 wigs go, honey, chef's kiss. They did their thing. Okay, they did their big one on this one. Pre-cut lace, adjustable straps in the back, as well as an elastic band, as well as drawstring straps. Like, girl, chef's kiss to this company, okay, because they did not disappoint. So shout out to them for that. and the color is everything. It's giving me all the summer vibes. That's why I threw on my little white dress from Shein. Shout out to Shein for this dress, girl. It was just giving me all the summer vibes, and I love that for me, and I love that for you. Okay, everything about this is screaming summer, and we're almost there, girl. We're almost there. Yes, I would recommend this wig, especially if you're a newbie and you're looking for a 360 and you want to wear updos and all the things. This is the perfect wig for you. And if you're lazy like your girl, who is not a beautician, who struggles in general with wigs and hair and all that stuff, then it's also perfect for you as well. So shout out to you, boo. Shout out to you, Ashimary, for this wig. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360, and I'm gonna let my little clip down and give you guys a lint check, okay? So we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. Shout out to you once again, Ashimary, for this gorgeous, gorgeous summer wig. Shout out to you, boo. I really do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions and feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Your love completely. Got every styles and weekly. Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. Disastrous